So I get constantly told my 3D printers use so much power. How much power do they use? How much does it cost you to use to print something that small? Well, I bought this to figure it out. Let's go try it. Okay, I'm going to plug this thing in and I'll show you how it works. Plug it in. I already preset this up. Under the set button, it tells you how much cents per kilowatt hour. Where I'm at, it's 7.9 cents a kilowatt. So I've already set that. It saves it. I'm going to reset it. I'm just going to use a little piece of filament. Actually, let's zoom in a little bit. There we go. So yeah, I just got a little piece of filament. I'm going to reset it. And really, it tells you how many kilowatt hours you use, how many watts the device uses, and then over here there's a little cost. Tells you how much it costs to print something. So I'm going to plug in my printer and we're going to see what this thing does. For this, I'm using the Cobra 3 and the Ace. So if I turn both of these on, let's take a look at wattage. So just running without turning them to print 20 watts. Pretty much nothing. I wanted to print something that was going to be easy to do math, and which was kind of cool too. So I found this collapsible sword, extendable sword thing. It says it's going to be about 2 hours. That'll work. During preheat, it does jump quite a bit. We're around the 400 watt mark. And away we go. So with it fully heated up, printing, we're floating around the 170. It's actually even going lower. It would fluctuate between about 140 to 180, depending on if the heating element fires up or not. But we'll check back in 2 hours and see where we're at. All right, we're all done here. Just a little over 2 hours. What do we got? 2 hours of time. Back down to basically no watts. And 0.42 kilowatts for a 2 hour print, which costs us 3 cents. And because I'm a nerd, here's an Excel sheet to also show you how much we get screwed in Alberta on transmission fees and distribution fees. It's about 23 cents for a 2 hour print. And for running a printer for 24 hours straight, it's about $3.